Completing my Masters in Computer Forensics enabled me to become a digital forensics analyst working on criminal and civil investigations. After a few years in the role, I wanted to broaden my technical understanding and joined Airbus as a first-line cybersecurity analyst. Both of these roles require attention to detail, an analytical mindset and great problem-solving skills, but there are some key differences between the two. Digital forensics analyst focuses on identifying, soundly recovering and analysing data from a range of devices. They focus on the events that have already taken place and can include investigating various types of crime. By contrast, a cybersecurity analyst focuses on preventing data loss and detecting intrusion attempts by analysing and collating real-time data from computers, servers, electronic systems across multiple networks. We use this data to identify possible threats and put the necessary defences in place.